a smaller video. It's not gonna be a short, but it's gonna be a smaller video. We are fostering kitties right now. Marcus is in there. But we are actually fostering kitties right now. Serrano and Habanero. And they're playing right now. Cuddling right now anyway, but that one is Habanero and this one is Serrano. They are named after peppers. Boy, girl. And they were just playing, so I'm gonna show some clips of them playing around together because they're so adorable.